Hey crafters, in this video we will learn the reverse weed technique. You'll use this when working with adhesive vinyl, and it's great for more intricate designs or if you accidentally cut your vinyl on the wrong setting. Before I explain the technique, I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. So let's go through a few definitions of the terms I'll be using in this video. Weeding. After you have cut your design on your Cricut machine, you need to remove the unwanted parts of the adhesive vinyl before applying the design onto your blank. This process is called weeding. Decal. After you have weeded your vinyl, you'll be left with the design that you want to apply onto your blank. This is referred to as the vinyl decal. Transfer tape. This is a sticky contact paper that you use to apply your decal onto your blank. I'll demonstrate how this works in the video. Burnish. This simply means to rub the transfer tape onto your decal, and I'll demonstrate this in the video as well. Kiss cut. This refers to the way that your Cricut machine cuts your vinyl. Whether you're using adhesive vinyl or iron-on vinyl, you'll see there is the vinyl layer and then there is a backing layer. A kiss cut refers to the fact that when your machine cuts the vinyl, it only cuts the vinyl layer and not the backing layer. Here is the finished project on which I used the reverse weed technique. The menorah in the middle is the adhesive vinyl decal. When I cut this on my Cricut Maker, I accidentally forgot to change the material setting to vinyl. And as you can see here, what happened is that I didn't get a kiss cut, but rather the machine cut through the backing paper as well. This would make a traditional weed impossible, as the decal would all come apart, but a reverse weed worked a treat. I started by trimming down around the design to save the vinyl scraps. I then cut a piece of transfer tape to size, and I've laid it down on top of the vinyl before doing any weeding. This is the essence of the reverse weed. You lay down your transfer tape before you do any weeding. Then you want to get a really good stick between the vinyl and the transfer paper, so use a scraper or something equivalent to burnish the transfer paper onto the vinyl. Now turn over and peel away the backing paper of the vinyl, and now you can start weeding. I'm using my weeding tool from my Cricut toolset. It's quite helpful as it's got a very sharp tip, so it helps you to pick up these small bits of vinyl. Once you've removed all the negative pieces, you can apply your decal to your blank. A good tip is to layer your decal back onto the backing paper of the transfer paper or maybe onto some baking paper, with only a small part of the decal exposed, so you can align your design correctly. Once you're happy, burnish that part of the design onto your blank, and then remove the backing paper. Now you can burnish the rest of your design and then carefully peel away the transfer paper. That's it guys, now you know how to reverse weed. I have lots of other tips for Cricut beginners in my Essentials series, so go ahead and check it out here. Until next time, happy crafting!